E weche mag ohala en ni Jumia Kenya, duka mabende tiyo kokalo e yor mbui kata online market, ochako chenro mar yawo apisegi magi maikawe mwandu magioro epachoka e bombe mapachoka mangima. Jatenda public relation mar Jumia manoero nyadendi Pauline Masese owacho ni okang' makamano ero gikawo mar chopo dwach jopiny chiwo negi services magi e yorno ero makare, kowacho ni bende gigeto chiwo ne jo Kenya mathoth thuolo mar nyiepo kokalo online. Nyadendi Pauline wacho ni jogo eko mabeonge kod smartphone bende koro ni kod thuolo mar order products kata mwandu magi kokalo e yor mbui kata online. Wache makamaendi nosir kod nyadendi Sheila Akinyi mabende tiyo e duka jo Jumia bade makondele e bomanoero makisumu.
And today we are here in Kondele, Kisumu as part of our city partner program. And the reason we're actually here is to expand pickup stations countrywide. What this means is we are trying to empower businesses, having come from a tough year last year with COVID. So as we partner with businesses who become pickup station agents with Jumia, they get extra commission for helping customers pick orders from their shops. And for customers, the good news is there's reduced delivery fee, meaning if you've been paying more delivery fee, if you come to a pickup station like this one here in Kondele with Sheila, you get to pay 50% of your ordinary reduced fee. So for us, this is quite exciting because it's countrywide. We're just from Western. We've done Bungoma, Busia, Kakamega, Maseno, and now we're here in Kisumu. We are going around Kisumu, and then we'll be doing Oyugis, down Kisii. So everyone in the country will enjoy these benefits.
Anyinga in Sheila Morina Akinyi. Sebeta Jumia agent for a very long time. But koro oyaunwa pickup station Kondele kae ma is a privilege to us. Koro ki shop kodwa, there is a reducing shipping fee, as in pesa money tiyo godo chulo ne msigo kwa Nairobi, or bet reduced koro ken kaka iboga chulecha, which is a privilege to gimaber kuom customers mwase bet godo Kondele kai Kisumu te.
Countrywide, for this year alone, we are targeting over 100, and we're halfway there, and we believe we can make it. And the good news is that there's excitement and expectation from rural areas because they've been having a challenge of pickup station of shipping fee. And so the reception is really good, and we're excited about that. We've been focusing on urban areas, but it's high time now we move to rural areas and give all our customers equal opportunity. We have USSD code. If you don't have a smartphone, so ideally we use a smartphone to place all our Jumia orders because we're online. But if you don't have a phone, we use USSD where we have a code. The good news is what this means to the local businesses, the city partner program, is we are creating more employment. Because as a shop owner, previously maybe you used to sell clothes or other house utensils, but now you've added, you've boosted your business as a pickup station agent, meaning now you'll be earning extra revenue, which is super good because it's been a tough year and any extra coin will help boost your businesses. So more employment to the youth, to the women empowerment, and to the customer, of course, reduced delivery fee, meaning you can use your extra money to do other things.